Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish my Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this.
It's the Amazon smile.
It's the famous Amazon smile. So let's see what's in here. Oh, what's that? Let's see, what is it? What's that, darling?
Open and see.
Oh, what's that? Let's see. It's another.
You can tear it, open it, and then opens.
Yeah.
Just in case it's not the right one.
Okay. I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, it's like not locked. What's this? Oh, see, so like that. Oh, like this. So you can put something in here.
Yes.
Ah,
And that something is next to you.
so I
you
haven't
need to
seen
open
this
without
like
know
this
if it's the
before.
correct one until you open the
Yeah.
other one and
Okay.
we'll see.
Okay, so let's see the other one, the other unboxing, guys.
That one I
Ta-da!
got in Argos, so it's already
Look
open.
at this.
You just pull it open. There.
Look at this,
But be
guys.
careful.
Lenovo Tab M11 with the pen. Oh my gosh, there's pen.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I think.
Just
Yeah,
pull, it pulls open, I think.
yeah, it pulls open.
Because Argos already opened it.
Yeah.
Careful it doesn't fall out. Yeah.
Lenovo. Oh wow, I got Lenovo. Love, love, love. Nice. Oh, see. So that is the pen. And that is the charger.
Charging lead. But there's no charger. We just plug it into a USB.
Oh, so this is the lead. Okay, so this is the thing. And these are the instruction booklet.
Those can put those back in the
And
box.
that's the receipt in here as well. And okay, come on, let's open it. Oh,
Open sesame.
oh dear, it's here. Oh, so can
Pull
open
it.
it like that. Yes.
And switch it on.
Oh, so there's a camera
Is
there.
it? Yeah, so see if it fits that thing. This. Oh yeah, so I thought it was there. See if they're in the same position.
Can you see? Yeah, it is.
So try and put it in. Be careful it doesn't
So I'll
fall.
put it in now.
Yeah. See if everything is, all the holes are in the correct places. Click it and
Yeah.
click it to click.
Okay.
Top, bottom, sides, everywhere. Is there something protruding there? Be careful not to break anything.
Can you do it?
It should do it.
Click. So it clicks. So look at the back.
That's the camera.
Yeah, so that's it.
There should be another camera in the front, but we open this anyway to use that.
Okay, so like this. There.
And then turn it on.
Yes.
That's the wrong
So
way.
it's sideways. Yeah, Lenovo.
Maybe have to, yeah, there.
English.
Yeah, so
Eng-
set it up.
It's English.
Yeah,
Click.
what else did you want?
So, United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Start. Yes, I can. Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.